Hello, this is Caroline Lee with Nature's Essentials Inc. And we're going to explore how to make our own bubbles. A great summertime activity that you can do with your kids. So we are going to actually make the bubbles and then we're going to add our essential oils to it. The ingredients that you need are going to be 1 cup of warm distilled water. You're going to want to get some vegetable glycerin. I got this at the Vitamin Cottage, one of those natural grocery stores. You're going to want, 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. And then you want to have 3 tablespoons of On Guard foaming hand wash. And then the surprising ingredient is 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, and then we're going to add our favorite essential oils, and in this case today we're going to add wild orange to the recipe. So we've already warmed up our water, right, Olivia?
Yes.
So we warmed up our water. It's nice and warm, a cup of warm water. Now we're going to start adding our ingredients. So let's add our vegetable glycerin. We need 1 tablespoon of this. So
1 tablespoon.
I'm going to get that out, and then you're going to help me by dumping it in here.
Okay.
All right, there we go. 1 tablespoon of that. We're going to stick that in.
It looks like you're putting clear glue into there.
Yeah, it is kind of clear, huh? All right, so now we're going to do our sugar. So we're going to grab our sugar over here in our gigantic sugar container.
Yeah, that usually never runs out.
Yep. All right, and we're going to do 1 teaspoon of sugar.
1 teaspoon.
Okay. Okay, you're going to drop that in for us so they can see it. Okay. And then we're going to do 5 tablespoons of, this is what's going to give the bubble, is the On Guard foaming hand wash from doTERRA. And we're going to do 5 of these.
1, 2,
Oh, I'm sorry, 3 of those. We're going to do 3 big tablespoons. So 1.
Yeah, I was already spilling a little.
Yep. 2. Okay, let's do the last one. Hold it nice and still for me. There we go. 3. All right, perfect. All right, now we just need to stir it up. Okay, so you want to hear, let's use the spoon.
That's
Get a
easy.
spoon. All right, go ahead and stir it up for us. Ooh, don't do it. Stir it so it doesn't spill. All right, we got to add our oils to it. All right, you got your wild orange?
Yes.
All righty. So we're going to add, we'll do like 5 drops. Let's see how much 5 drops works for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. Okay,
6 was about to come in.
6 to out. All right, stir it up again for us, and then we're going to test out the bubble and see if it's going to work for us. Okay, thank you very much. That's probably good. All right.
Then we have
Our wand.
Yes.
Okay, why don't you try it out and see how bubbly it is. Does it work? Oh, it totally works, guys. Totally works. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to pour your liquid at the very end into an airtight container, and it can store up to a month. Already made up and that kind of thing. So hopefully you guys have this fun activity. We've got a nice container. We're going to pour our bubbles in, and then she's free to go have some fun. So take care, my friends, and check out the other videos we've got on the YouTube channel.